Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can always show full URL in the Brave browser. So let us get started. So for demonstration purposes, let me head over to google.com. So guys, if I click into that URL here at the top, you will see that I will need to double click into it to see the full URL, which is basically no problem for shorter URLs like google.com. But if you, I don't know, would like to copy and paste, for example, a very important website URL, and you would like to see the entire URL first before you do that, you may enable this, guys, because as you can see, if you don't enable it, you will see only the shorter version of it. So you may do that by clicking onto these three lines in the top right corner and by heading over to your browser settings. And inside your browser settings, head over to Appearance here in the left panel, and here scroll all the way down till you get to this feature here under Toolbar at the very bottom, always show full URL. So enable it or toggle it on here to the right. And if I head back, guys, to my example, google.com, you see that automatically now I see the entire full URL, not the shortened version of it. So guys, that's how it works in practice. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.